Hi everyone, my name is Lieu and welcome back to our Jigsaw Childcare Learning channel. Today I have prepared a marble painting activity for you, which is a follow-up from our snowman activity. What we'll need today is a dark piece of paper so the colors will stand out. We're using some marbles and the winter colors will be light blue, dark blue and white paint and some silver glitter. Firstly, you put the balls into the tray and then we're going to flick some of the winter color into the tray like so. Flynn, would you like to do the winter color in your tray? I'll help Charlie. You can do your own?
How do?
Yeah?
Yeah.
Get the children to decorate it using the silver glitter. This activity will help to enhance their eye-hand coordination and creativity. Thank you for watching and please don't forget to subscribe to our channel.